Welcome to Beautyistic, where today we're diving into a must-have for anyone who loves a bold eye look that lasts. If you've ever struggled with eyeliner that fades or smudges, then this review might be just what you need. Let's take a look at the Kiko Milano Super Color Waterproof Eyeliner in dark brown. This eyeliner promises high coverage, water resistance, and a matte finish, making it ideal for anyone who needs their liner to stay put throughout the day. Whether you're heading to work, hitting the gym, or dealing with a little summer sweat. But does it actually live up to the claims? Let's find out. The Kiko Milano Super Color Waterproof Eyeliner comes in a sleek pencil form and boasts a deep, dark brown shade that leans towards the rich side without looking too harsh. Perfect for those who want definition without the starkness of black. The matte finish is smooth, and the formula claims to be smudge-resistant, which is a crucial feature for anyone who has oily eyelids or long days ahead. Now let's talk about the formula. Packed into this pencil is a creamy texture that glides onto the skin with ease. It doesn't tug or pull, and it offers instant color payoff. I noticed that just one swipe delivers full coverage, which is a nice bonus for anyone who's in a rush but doesn't want to compromise on intensity. I tried this eyeliner in various conditions. First, I wore it to an outdoor event where the heat was on, and I had a good few hours of wear without any noticeable fading or smudging. By the end of the day, my liner still looked as crisp as when I applied it. No raccoon eyes here. The smudge-resistant claim is a big win, and I love that it really lives up to it. However, I did notice that removing it was slightly more challenging, but that's pretty typical for waterproof formulas. On the flip side, this pencil requires a sharpener to maintain that precise tip. If you're someone who prefers twist-up eyeliners, this might feel like a bit of extra work. Also, while the color payoff is great, the texture, though smooth, might feel a bit dry for those who prefer a more emollient formula. In terms of value, I would say that the Kiko Milano Super Color Waterproof Eyeliner is reasonably priced for a high-performance waterproof liner. It delivers on what it promises, making it a solid option for anyone looking for a reliable everyday eyeliner. Plus, considering Kiko Milano's reputation for offering quality at accessible prices, this feels like a good investment, especially if you're looking for something that stays in place through sweat, tears, and everything in between. When compared to other waterproof eyeliners on the market, this one stands out for its smooth application and long-lasting wear. While there are other budget-friendly options out there, the performance and finish of this eyeliner elevate it above many similar products. As for build quality, the pencil is sturdy, and while the sharpener requirement is a minor inconvenience, the packaging overall feels premium for its price range. The formula doesn't dry out quickly either, so you get a solid product that you can use for quite a while. Customer support with Kiko Milano has been generally positive, with fast response times and helpful advice on product use. I didn't need to reach out for this particular product, but the brand has a reputation for being responsive to customer inquiries. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other budget-friendly eyeliners that perform well in terms of staying power, such as the Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. While it might not be in pencil form, it offers similar waterproof longevity and a smooth finish at a comparable price point. In conclusion, the Kiko Milano Super Color Waterproof Eyeliner is a fantastic option for anyone in search of a smudge-proof, long-lasting eyeliner with great color payoff. If you love a matte finish that stays put through everything, this might just become your go-to liner. It delivers on its promises, and while it requires a little extra care when sharpening, the benefits outweigh the minor inconvenience. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching today. If you've tried the Kiko Milano Super Color Waterproof Eyeliner, drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.